Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel PSC Infotech. Today I am going to share Csharp interview questions and answers with you. This is part 5 of Csharp interview questions and answers series. These are very basic interview questions. Any interviewer first check your fundamentals. If your fundamentals are clear, then your chance of selection in that interview is very high. So you must prepare these interview questions before go to any interview. Now let's start with question number 1. What is variable in C#? A name that is given for any computer memory location is called a variable. The purpose of the variable is to provide some name to a memory location where we store some data. The user will access the data by the variable name and the compiler will access the data by the memory address. Rules for variable declaration in C#. A variable name must begin with a letter or underscore. Variables in C# are case sensitive. They can be constructed with digits and letters. No special symbols are allowed other than underscore. Sum, height, underscore value and ABC123 etc. are some example of the valid variable name. How to declare a variable in C#? The syntax for declaring a variable in C# is data type variable name. Here data type is the type of the data to be stored in the variable and variable name is the name given to that variable. Example, int age. Here the data type is int and age is the name of the variable where the age variable can only hold an integer value. Example second, string fname. Here the data type is string and fname is the name of the variable where the fname variable can only hold a string value. How to initialize a variable in C#? The syntax for initializing a variable is data type variable name equal to value. Here data type is the type of a data to be stored in the variable. Variable name is the name given to the variable and value is the initial value stored in the variable. So example is int age equal to 20. Here int is the data type and age is the name of the variable where 20 is the integer value stored inside the age variable. Example 2, string fname equal to John. Here the data type is string and fname is the name of the variable where John is the string value stored inside the fname variable. What are the different types of variable in a class in C#? Basically there are mainly 4 types of variable that we can declare inside a class. They are non-static or instance variable, static variable, constant variable, read-only variable. The behavior of all these different variables is going to vary. What is static and non-static variable in C#? If we declare a variable explicitly by using a static modifier, we call it a static variable and the rest of all are non-static variable. If we declare a variable inside a static block, then also that variable is a static variable. If we declare a variable inside a non-static block, then that becomes a non-static variable. Remember, while working with static and non-static variable, static members of a class does not require the instance of a class for initialization and execution also, whereas non-static member of a class require an instance of a class for both initialization and execution. Explain static and non-static variable with an example. So see the example here. Static int x equal to 100. It is a static variable. Second, int y equal to 200. It is a non-static variable. So inside main method we direct access static variable and we access non-static variable. First we initialize it. So program obj equal to new program obj.y, it's written 200. So we can directly access static variable without initialization, but non-static variable we first initialize then use. When static and non-static variable are initialized in C#, static variables of a class are initialized immediately once the execution of the class starts. Non-static variables or instance variable are initialized only after creating the class instance, as well as each and every time the instance of the class is created. The point we start the execution of a class to the point we end the execution of a class is called the life cycle of a class. In the life cycle of a class, static variables are initialized once and only one time. Non-static or instance variables are initialized 0 times if no instance is created and n times if n instances are created. So in short, static variables are initialized only one and non-static variables are initialized multiple times. Thanks my dear friends for watching this entire video. Hope you have enjoyed with this video. Please feel free to comment if you have any query or question in your mind. I will give you answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more latest videos. All the best. Thank you very much. Bye bye.